Today I'm going to decorate a cheery Cardinal Christmas tree. To start out, I have my tree all set up, the branches fluffed, and warm white LED cluster string lights added for a sparkling glow. I'm using these flocked branches for the upper portion of the tree, just poking them in. They will give this a woodsy, wintry look. And for those that are curious, this is the Balsam Hill Slim Red Spruce tree. I purchased it about 3 years ago and love the natural shaping of it, and that it is narrow because it can be used in spaces that don't have the room for a large tree. These frosted ornaments are next. They continue with the wintry theme and glow when placed in front of the lights. Then a variety of coordinating green ornaments are next. These are just solid color ornaments, but they will fill in the look nicely between the more ornate additions. Also, these ones are shatterproof, which is a great way to fill out the look of a tree theme inexpensively. These ones are glass though, and have a more decorated design to each of them. I picked these because they match my jadeite dishware, which I plan on using on the dining room table this year. I completely forgot to add the ribbon, so even though I recommend adding the ribbon as an earlier step, I'm adding it now. I'm just tucking it right into the tree, bubbling it outwards and back in down the tree in a random path. Ribbon can really change the look of a Christmas tree, and this ribbon technique is very simple, and if you get the ribbon on sale, is a great way to fill in the look of the tree as well. I usually use about two 30-foot rolls on a 7.5-foot tree. The ribbon doesn't all have to start at the top either. I usually start a few at the top, and then some about 1.5 feet down, and others toward the bottom. It gives it a nice, unexpected look. Whatever process you are on when decorating your tree, listen to music and enjoy. I tend to think about past holidays and dream of the upcoming one. I'm going to add some of this narrower ribbon in a few places over top of the existing ribbons. Here's a quick look at the jadeite with the ornaments. I just thought they went so well together and really wanted to use my dishes for Christmas this year. And here's the tree so far with some ornaments and the 2 ribbons. Frosted berry branches are the next thing I'm going to add, starting at the top of the tree and working my way downward. I normally change the direction of the stems in the lower portion of the tree, but thought it gave the tree more of a woodsy look, having them upward facing all the way down. Looking at all these little stems and the ribbon makes me laugh as I remember when my brother had a cat years ago. The cat would pull the ribbon off the tree while I was adding it, and it would bat its paws at the lower ornaments. I used a lot of wire to try and secure everything in place, but that cat was determined. I'm adding these large red cardinals next. These will add a nice festive color and coordinate with the berry stems. I'm adding some mini cardinals to these rustic nests. Wanted to paint them to look the coloring of baby cardinals, but just didn't have time. Maybe another year. These soft colored stems are next, bringing more of the soft green color to the tree. I'm adding these next for just a little different texture. They have smaller berries with the soft green coloring, but smaller leaves. There's such a wonderful variety of textures in nature, and I'm trying to replicate that interest with these different florals. After I finish adding those, I'll show you the finished look. Here's a look at some of the pieces for the dining room I've gathered so far. This is some of the jadeite dishware to match the tree. Or technically, the tree was decorated to match the jadeite. But I'm adding some festive red coloring with these Christmas pieces, some old and some new. I just got these because I thought they worked well with the jadeite. And more dishware is waiting on the buffet, along with a snowman. The entire house is a bit of a mess right now with the remodel going on, so that vintage sled isn't going there against the china cabinet. But I thought I would take you in closer to give you a better look at the tree. I love cardinals. We get so many of them in the winter. They seem like they show up the most when it snows. But yes, you can see the different florals I added, all similar in coloring, but different in shape and texture. And the littles. I've been wanting to decorate a cardinal tree for years, so I'm happy I got to it this year. So many new Christmas decorations, Christmas cards, and gifts are sprinkling into my online shop. These bunny cards are really fun and so adorable. I'm not sure which design is my favorite. But I have some great flameless candles in, along with some holiday collectibles, so many night lights, rustic ornaments, snowman figures, letters to Santa sets, and so much more. Shop what's available this season at the link in the description below, and thanks so much for watching.